This is an update from Tallahassee from the Florida Association of Homes and Services for the Aging.
Hello, I'm Terry Cunliffe. I'm the chair of FASA, and we just have a very full day at our legislative workshop here this year. It's Tuesday, March 29th. It started out bright and early with a board meeting, and shortly after that then launched into our opening session of the legislative public policy workshop. Started out with a professor, Dr. Lance DeHavern Smith.
The challenges that this governor have, not only with budget cuts and the challenge of trying to meet the budgets, and what you perceive the future look like in the way he's going about it.
Well, he's going to face a tough time with the legislature. The legislature has to focus on delivering some benefits back to their constituents, and so they tend to be a little more liberal on tax issues than the governor.
We talked through some of the major public policy issues in our public policy session.
If you take us for $195, plus we'll scrape together maybe another $15, will you take us? It will give you an opportunity to say yay or nay. That's going to be your decision. It also gives more choices to the residents. That's why we're pushing that particular issue.
And from there, we ended up at the Governor's Club and had lunch together. And we got a sense of the economic forecast for Florida from a local consultant.
When we met in the fall, we looked at all the goods and all the services that the state had to provide, everything we need to purchase, what the entitlement programs were, what their costs were, and all the revenues that we thought were going to be available.
We also then were briefed by the public policy staff of FASA, and we're ready for the get our members out on the Hill.
My name's Jeff Rock. I'm the executive director for Azalea Trace in Pensacola. We're a continuing care retirement community. I'm excited to be here today at the annual legislative conference. We've just had a very informative and a luncheon, and looking forward to making several stops, 5 to be exact, appointments this afternoon over at the House and Senate Office Building and the Capitol Building as well.
The 2010 Legislator of the Year presented to the Honorable William Bill Proctor, Florida House of Representatives, with sincere gratitude for your leadership in shepherding balanced continuing care legislation that benefits both the consumers and providers through the 2010 legislative session. Thank you.
So for the next couple of hours then in the afternoon, our members were combing the halls of the Senate and the House and the Capitol building, seeing legislators and sharing the public policy issues that are so important to Florida.
Hi, I'm Dan Brady. I'm with the Miami Jewish Health System in Miami, Florida. And I came to Tallahassee to speak to both members of the House and the Senate about a whole range of issues that are confronting people as we move forward with making long-term care services, particularly those supported by Medicaid, responsive to the needs of the people who use them. Had a number of discussions with legislators, talking to them about cost, talking to them about the regions. We have some concern about splitting Miami-Dade from Broward County, and talking to them about the long-term impact of the bills that they are supporting here. Today, watching the Florida House work gives us a sense of how difficult government may be, and the very real importance of all of us letting people know what our opinions are and making sure that our voices are heard.
My name is Heather Furlong. I'm the administrator with Water's Edge at Sand Hill Cove in Palm City, Florida. Now, we've driven 6 hours to come to Tallahassee, and we feel it's very important. We also feel that FASA does a wonderful job with coordinating the visits with our representatives and state senators. It's been a pleasure to be here, and we view it as very important. It's been wonderful to have the coordinated effort of FASA.
Representative Bambury, so good to see you, sir. You know, FASA, this was our day at the Capitol, and I just want to get your thoughts on our legislation and your day so far.
Well, I'm very excited to have FASA here at the Capitol today, and it's exciting to me to have the opportunity to run the bill, and things are looking well at this point in time. I think I'm very encouraged, and just would like to extend a hearty welcome to all the members.
Okay, well, sir, I know how busy you are. Thank you for your short time with us, and we'll get back with you.
Thank you.
Thank you again, sir, for your support.
Take care.
My name is Ralph. I'm with the Florida Association of Homes and Services for the Aging, and I am the Office and Legislative Assistant. Today was my first experience in going through the legislative visit. I'm glad to be a part of this organization going forward, and I'm glad. I can't wait till next year for the next legislative workshop.
We ended up then this evening at 5:30 with a recognition of Mary Ellen Early and thanked her for her service of 25 years.
Even with the daunting challenges that are before us, I know that FASA will represent everyone well, and I'm just very pleased to still be a small part of the association, working with Jane Gale, Tom, Carol, and the rest of the public policy staff on a few things. So God bless you all, and thanks again for a very, very memorable evening and a wonderful 25 years of service to the association.
So it's been a very, very full day, and it's our opportunity to make an impact for Florida and for the seniors of Florida.